KAVACH is a state-of-the-art, indigenously developed automatic train protection system, which is developed by our research wing, that is Research Designs Standards Organization, that is RDSO, in association with Indian industries. This is a major step taken by the Indian Railways towards fulfilling the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Make in India concept. South Central Railway has been closely associated with the development of this KAVACH since beginning. Development and all trials have been carried out on South Central Railway only. So far, KAVACH has been deployed on 1465 route kilometers on South Central Railway, which includes around 50 kilometers of automatic signaling section, 136 stations, LC gates, and 2 intermediate block signaling system also. The main objective of the KAVACH is to prevent drivers passing the danger signal, that is the red or stop signal. This system automatically applies the train brake when driver exceeds the speed prescribed based on the track conditions and the signal aspect. It also prevents collision between two trains or two locomotives if both of them are equipped with the KAVACH. The sections which are deployed with KAVACH on South Central Railway are Manmad, Nanded, Nizamabad, Secunderabad, Doon, Guntakal, and section from Wadi to Vikarabad and Sanatnagar, then Vikarabad to Bidar, Parli, Parli to Parbani. These are the sections which are equipped with KAVACH. The KAVACH deployed so far is version 3.2. Based on the initial trials and further extended trials, the KAVACH specifications have been modified to version 4.0, incorporating a lot of new features. Now, new version of KAVACH, that is 4.0, is being deployed on Indian Railways. The trials for migrating KAVACH version 3.2 to 4.0 are being carried out in Sanatnagar Vikarabad section, that is around 63 km, and field trials of KAVACH 4.0 version are being carried out in Maulali Raghunathpalli, which is about 83 km. The implementation of KAVACH 4.0 on South Central Railway is being done in phased manner, giving priority to our GQ-GD route and high density routes, and for which the tenders have already been invited. The migration of KAVACH from version 3.2 to 4.0 has also been planned, and the tenders are being invited for that also. South Central Railway has been pioneer in implementation of KAVACH. With the commissioning of KAVACH version 4.0 over South Central Railway, the train operation as well as passenger safety will be ensured.